To customize SEMrush projects, start by logging into your SEMrush account and navigating to the Projects tab. Here you will see a list of all your existing projects. Click on the one you want to customize. In the project settings, you can add or remove tools and features to tailor the project to your specific needs. For example, you can add a competitor analysis tool to monitor your competitor's online presence, or remove the social media tracker if it's not relevant to your project. One of the key features of SEMrush projects is the ability to set up custom alerts and notifications. This allows you to stay on top of changes to your website's online presence, such as changes to your search engine rankings or mentions of your brand online. To set up custom alerts, navigate to the Alerts tab and click on the Add New Alert button. In the Add New Alert window, you can choose the type of alert you want to set up, such as a position tracking alert or a brand monitoring alert. You can also customize the alert settings, such as the frequency of the alert and the recipients. Another important feature of SEMrush projects is the ability to set up custom dashboards and reports. This allows you to create a personalized view of your project data, with the metrics and insights that are most important to you. To set up a custom dashboard, navigate to the Dashboard tab and click on the Add New Dashboard button. In the Add New Dashboard window, you can choose the widgets and metrics you want to include, such as search engine rankings, website traffic, or social media engagement. You can also customize the layout and design of the dashboard to suit your needs. Best practices for customizing SEMrush projects include regularly reviewing and updating your project settings to ensure they remain relevant and effective. It's also important to take advantage of the wide range of tools and features available in SEMrush, such as technical SEO audits and content optimization recommendations. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a customized SEMrush project that provides valuable insights and helps you achieve your digital marketing goals. Whether you're a seasoned SEO professional or just starting out, customizing your SEMrush project can help you get the most out of this powerful tool and stay ahead of the competition.